Hello, to turn on or off Edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down, go into display, and again scroll down until you find the Edge panels, as you can see. So let's go in here, and we simply have to switch to enable or disable this, and as you can see here just appeared the panel, and we can access it by just like sliding it, by pressing and sliding just like this. And here we have our panel, and what we can do, we can set up more panels. We can add panels with apps, people, tasks, weather, tools, clipboard, and reminder. And as we select any panel right here, and in case if it's available to edit it, because as you can see the weather one, we cannot edit it, but we can edit tools, for example, as you can see, and we can edit the tasks one, we can edit people, and yeah, as you can see. And in case I have more than one panels available right here, we can, as we access the panel, to get more panels available, we have to change its pages like this. As you can see, here are like pages of these panels, and yeah, that's how to do it, as you can see. So that's very interesting. And let's go back actually, and now we can also adjust the handle, this like panel right here. As we go in here, we can change its position to left or right. As you can see, we can lock its position. So in case if we are having this position unlocked, actually we can just press and hold it to like grab it, and you can change its position like this. But in case we have this option enabled to lock the handle's position, we can't actually do this right now, it's locked. And you can also change its style, we can change its color to any color that we like. We can change its we can set up the custom color, and we have some more values of like transparency. It is actually we can adjust the transparency of the color, as you can see, because we still have the outline of this panel visible. We can change its size, you can make it taller or like shorter, and we can also change its width like this. It's probably just like thinner or thicker, as you can see. So yeah, that's how to adjust the edge panel, and that's how to actually turn it on or off. Thank you for watching.